Good morning guys, so it's Monday today and it's already 1:45 p.m. and right now we are going to my doctor. Kailangan ko na lang sigurong itanong kung i-continue ko na yung pills or kung kailan ako pwedeng mag-continue ng pills kasi we are not planning to have another kid. So, ayun, I'm gonna be updating you all later. Guys, dito na kami sa Bautista Arts Building and inaantay namin si Doc and magpapalista ako. So, ayan guys, andito kami sa Dunkin and ayan. Ito yung orders namin, coffee and donuts. Di ko lang napakita yung donuts. So guys, kanina pa kami nakauwi, few hours ago. But ayun, hindi lang ako nakapag-update, sorry. And by the way, ayan, nandito kami sa kwarto. Nag-chill lang kami ni Simon. Hi! Say hi! You don't wanna say hi? Pero yun nga, I think I'm gonna be updating you guys maybe later if meron pang ganap, pero kung wala, tomorrow na. Simon! Pupu? Good afternoon guys, so it's already 4:19 or 4:20 p.m. and right now we are going to meet with our sister in Christ and her name is Marilyn. So ayun, and by the way guys, a little trivia, naging client din namin siya since she went here in the Philippines and ayun, English natin kasi mapapa-English talaga tayo mamaya. Pero ayun, paalis na kami and we are going to JL Coffee Shop, yung coffee shop ni Boss Toyo. So yeah. And again, this is our ride. Ayun. Bon appetit.
John 11.
Say hi, sunshine. Sunshine, hi. Yeah.
11:30.
Good evening guys. So we are already home and yes, hindi kami agad umuwi after ng meeting namin with Sister Marilyn and ayun, it's already 8:02 because we stayed on the church and ayun, originally hindi na kami nakapag practice kasi nagkuha na lang sila ng key and then ayun, nagstay kami doon dahil nagpatila kami ng ulan, sobrang lakas ng ulan kanina. So yeah, I think good afternoon guys, so it's already 2:08 p.m. and right now paalis na kami, papunta na kaming church kasi meron kaming TOD ngayon, ang tawag namin dun is Tabernacle of David. And maraming songs yun, puro kantahan muna for today. And ayun, magpa-practice kami. And ayun, I'm gonna be updating you all later. So yun guys, late na kami nakapag-vlog. And ubos na yung mga kinakain namin. Nagpinasal kami ulit. So, and again, ayan na naman namin kasama. Si Kapamayan.
Hey guys, so what's up? We are here at Latte Break, right? And I'm trying their matcha. This is the best matcha I've ever had. So I think you should go here.
Mahal-mahal siya mga tao. Siya nagtulungan. Good afternoon guys. So it's already 2 p.m. and right now paalis na kami papuntang church. And by the way guys, sorry sa ingay, nasa harap ako ng fan. Kaya ayun. By the way, ayan, hindi pa kompleto tong look ko kasi hindi pa ako nakapaglagay sa lips. I think doon na ako sa church maglalagay. So yeah, I'm gonna be updating you all later.
Kaya patayo ah.